Melanie Eke.
It's Derek Spade.
And we are in Chicago at the final Black College Expo of the school year.
From starting in September, going to Detroit, New York, Houston, Dallas, and we even went back to Miami.
We went to Miami, and now we are in Chicago, and we are giving you all access to the Chicago Black College Expo. Let's take a look inside.
First things first, you know we gotta stop at Foundation with my guy, CP. You know how we doing. Check out the fits, check out the hat. Trap snatch, interesting stuff. The card game for the quick and the slick.
Good morning and welcome to Houston Tillotson University, the #1 HBCU in Austin, Texas. Today we're at Chicago State University doing on-the-spot admissions, offering scholarships to our students, but most importantly, we're waiving the application fee.
What's up, bro? How you doing? Kel loves orange soda. We got UC Riverside. Sorry. United States Naval Academy. My dude over here at Purdue.
The meal marks $1,000.
JJ.
Her family and Crystal has been given.
Kalia Wright. $1,000 for you, sweetheart.
This one to my wonderful sister Shakira Brunson. Y'all let her hear
$1,000 to Justin Garrison. Did I say that right? Garrison, what's up, man? Congratulations, bro. Keyshawn Hubbard. Hey, what's up, brother?
We got Arkansas Baptist right here.
What's going on?
And this is the host right here, Chicago State University, baby.
Introduce yourself.
What's up, everybody? I'm Bianca Edwards. How y'all doing, kids? What's up? I'm about to go over to the Booming Careers panel. If you're interested in a career in music, business, sports, entertainment, I'm headed over to the Booming Careers panel. Let's chop it up. Director of Marketing at Rock Nation. What's up, y'all?
Hey, y'all come learn stuff about the U.S. Army, man. We ain't here trying to get y'all. We just trying to help y'all.
Hey, kids. Nice wish.
Sorry.
Let's get it.
Hey, Mr. Mitchell.
What's up, lady? How you doing? Come on. I see y'all. Of course you can get a picture.
How you doing, London, man? I'm Joseph.
Go find out about Jay-Z's company, Rock Nation. Also, school.
Feeling good.
Bless, man. Bless. Let's go, y'all say it. This what it mean to be God regular. Quiz on the regular. Show it for God, I show it for God, and that's on the regular. Make some noise for yourself.
So if y'all got scholarships, congratulations to y'all. If you didn't get one, don't worry about it. Stay focused, stay tapped in, because we have people and we connected to different people and counselors, and we try to figure out something, work out something on something. Jada, nice to meet you, Jada. Hey, you got any instrumentals over there? Any Jay-Z instrumentals? All right, Jay-Z couldn't make it, so we got me though. We got me. Here we go. Everybody get your hands up like this. Here we go. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Hov. You ain't ready. You ain't ready.